Tricky words set 8. S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she. She is learning to swim. H-A-V-E, have. H-A-V-E, have. H-A-V-E, have. The children have 3 pet dogs. B-I-G, big. B-I-G, big. B-I-G, big. Elephants are big animals. O-H-O. 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 Oh, I forgot my key, said Tom. H-E-R-E, here. H-E-R-E, here. H-E-R-E, here. Here is your cup of coffee. I-S is. I-S is. I-S is. It is very cold outside today. W-E-N-T, went. W-E-N-T, went. W-E-N-T, went. The family went to the beach. W-H-E-N, when. W-H-E-N, when. W-H-E-N, when. When it's cold, I like to stay inside. A-B-O-U-T, about. A-B-O-U-T, about. A-B-O-U-T, about. Tim likes reading and learning about space. O-F-F, off. O-F-F, off. O-F-F, off. Please turn the lights off before you leave. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.